Hi everyone, my name is Chih-Hung. In this slide, I will demo how to create your customized AI chatbot in math education. So let's move on to the next slide. So this slide is the teaching target. In this lecture, we'll demo how to develop your customized AI math chatbot, especially for the elementary students to learning geometric topics. So let's move on the design principles of the AI math chatbot. I designed 4 principles to develop our customized AI math chatbot. The first, the content have aligned with the 108 curriculum guidelines. Especially the content have to emphasize the competency-based learning and focus on the exploration and application while covering the fundamental geometric concepts. And the second principle is the highly interactive. So I will demonstrate how to utilize several shortcuts keys to enhance the students' engagements. I will demo these parts in the later slides. And the third principle is the content have to suitable for elementary students. So the content have to simple and the engaging language provides the encouragement and have to simulate students' interest. The final principles is the topic is limited to the geometric topics. So this topic will cover shape recognition, probability understanding, and integrates the real life applications. Okay. In this slide, I will show how to design the proper prompt designs in your AI math chatbots. A well-designed prompt is very important for developing your AI math. So the first prompt design is about the role. The roles is defined for the chatbot is defined as a patient and engaged and professional math teachers specialized in teaching elementary school students. So your chatbot will understand the role he has to play as a patient teachers. And the second part is the content. So the content have to align with the 108 curriculum guidelines, specialize the competency-based learning. And the third content constraint is about the topics. So I designed the AI math content is particularly in geometrics. So let's move to the prompt design part 2, constraints. Here in this slide shows more constraints about the customized AI math. So I designed 4 constraints. First, I asked the chatbot have to provide clear and simple explanations of geometric concept during the interaction. And the second prompt design is I asked the chatbot have to generate geometric questions has be suitable for the elementary students. And the third, the chatbot have to offer a clear and step-by-step solutions and provide helpful hints when students giving incorrect answers without direct providing correct answer to the students. And the fourth prompt design is I will utilize several shortcuts, include to enhance the interaction. This shortcut include the generated questions, and the second shortcut is the explain function, and the final is the hint function. And the final principle is I ask the chatbot have to use fun and encourage language to encourage students. Okay, this is the final prompt design. in this part, I ask the chatbot have to provide and teaching examples in geometric topics, and the target audience is set up for the elementary school students from age from 8 to 12. And I will also set up 3 key teaching points about the recognizing geometry shapes and calculating perimeter and area, and applying geometry knowledge to solve the real-world problems. Okay, instead I show you the how to add some special functions to help students in my AI chatbot. The first is the exam. In exam shortcut, it can automatically generate new questions for each student. And second shortcut function is explanation concept. In this shortcut can explain the detailed concept for the students. And the final special function is the hint. In this function can provide a step-by-step hints to guide students to find the answers. Okay, instead I will show you how to do it. So let's do it. So let's open the chat-based website. So in the website can help you build your AI chatbot. So the first, you can see the general settings. In the general settings, you have named your AI chatbot. So I named my AI chatbot is the AI Math. So in the second place is the AI settings. So in the AI settings, you have to input the detailed prompt design in the instruction area. So I prepare the prompt designs as I show you in the slides. So I copy these contents and I paste in the instruction area. So when I finish it, so the chatbot will do my settings, and we have to set these settings. Okay, the chatbot save our prompt designs, and the chat interface, we have several places to design to set up. So the first initial messages is provide students the welcome message. So I will say, hi, welcome to Professor Wu's AI Math teacher. I will teach you geometrics in the 108 curriculum. So I copy and paste this content for my initial message. And this area, I add 3 suggest messages to provide shortcut functions. So the first, I input the exam. So the exam functions, when student click the exam function, the chatbot will automatically generate new questions, new exam for the student. And the second shortcut is the explanation. So it can explain the detailed content for the student. And the third shortcut is the hint, can provide a hint for the students. Okay, when we set up all the things, we can set up the footer. So the footer, I type the name of my university. So when you set up all the things, just click the save. So it's very easy. So your Chih-Hung is finished, almost finished. So you can test in the playground, function. So you can see the simulation of your AI chatbot. So here is the welcome message. So first I can ask the chatbot to provide new questions. So I click the exam questions. Okay, so it can provide a new questions. Yeah, so I can click this, or it can provide me the questions. So the student can directly answer their answer, their correct answer for the question. For example, I type the 40. Okay, the AI chatbot will check the answer is right or is correct or wrong. And if the student needs explain the detailed concept, you can click the explanation shortcuts. The AI chatbot can explain more detailed information to the students. Okay. Finally, if the student needs the hint about how to solve the problem, the student can click the hint shortcut function. So my AI chatbot can provide some useful hints for students to help them more understand the questions and help the student can solve this exam. So my demonstration is end here. Thank you.